Outside row 1, the 28, Jon Baglien from Renton. Number 66, Kevin Pegg out of Eatonville. The Standard of Graham Mustang. And the 27, Josh Johnston from Yakima, the Jody Hill Realty World Mustang. And the 7 is the alternate here, Devin Matthews. Here we go, Rick Green. The first of 4 laps in our mini stock division. Grabbing the early lead here at the end of lap 1, Jon Baglien up on the outside. Here comes it fast. Josh Johnston out of Yakima, that 27 car. Right up near the backstretch wall underneath this Kevin Pegg in the 66. We'll see if Johnson can hang on and make that car grip in the outside groove as he's side by side with Baglien with the first 2. But now Johnson off turn 2. Down back straightaway into 3. So only got a little over a lap to go to get the win here. Here we are, the right flag out, 1 to go in the takeaway. And the 27 of Johnson could not hang on, and now Pegg gets on the binders hard as he almost got into the 27. Baglien with a 4-car length advantage over Josh Johnson as they will come to the checkered flag. Baglien and the 27 car of Johnson, your first 2. And then getting back to the line in position 3, Jim Belcher out of Olympia. Driving the automotive component engineering Mustang.